What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Of course, it is Monday, so you know what that means. It is Ratchet Makeup Mondays. And today I'm gonna be doing a geisha girl look. As you can see, I already did the thin eyebrows. I already have the little blemish right here, the little mole, because I had a blemish. So I decided to put a little beauty mark right there. And let's get into it. Get into it. Today I'll be using the 24 Rose Gold palette that I got from this store that I love called Fashion Metro in Raleigh. And I'm going to be going in, let's see, what will I be using today? Colors. I think I'll be going in with these golds and browns. So like this dark brown color right here. Maybe, let me see. This brown color right here. This gold color, and this gold color. We're going to try to do like a very neutral nude smoky eye. And then build from there. So, how y'all been doing? You know, that's what I want to know. How y'all been doing? How was y'all weekend? Did y'all enjoy watching the Super Bowl? Who won? I don't really care, but it's just like a conversation starter. I heard the Rams and I think the Patriots were playing, but I'm not sure if I got that right. I know the Rams were playing for sure, but I'm not sure about the Patriots. So, yeah. I've been alright. Kind of like getting my life together. Let me see. Where do I want to start with? Which one do I want to start with? We'll start with this color. My phone keeps going off. Every time I do a video, my phone wants to go off. Like, it's so annoying. And yeah, I might put a darker shade of brown on top of this because it's very like cinnamony. It's not giving me what I need. But yeah, so I've been good, you know, chilling, getting my life together. I went to the thrift store Saturday for $5 bag Saturdays. And let me tell you that I racked the fuck up, okay? Like, I got a whole bunch of shit. I got, like, purses, shoes, an accessory, you know, and I needed shoes. They're basically kind of like kitten heels. Almost all of them are kind of kitten heels. But they're really cute. Like, I can't wait to wear all of them for whenever I get a chance to go out. Yeah. I got like 5 or 6 different outfits too. For $26. If you don't think that's a steal, then I don't know how you living your life. Like, I'm on a very tight budget, you know what I mean? Like, I can't spend as much as I would like to, like I used to. Like, I used to be spending like bands because I had a large lump sum of money in my account at the time. So I used to just spend and like not care about nothing. You know what I mean? Like, I would just overspend. And like, let me see this. Line my brows with this. I would overspend and just be doing too much. You know what I mean? But like now, I'm trying to budget. Learn how to budget, ho. Trying to budget. Oh, shoot. Trying to budget. And just figure out how to be more financially stable. Like we talked about in my last video. I need to learn how to learn how to budget and be more financially secure so I can what do I want to say? So I can so I can provide more, like, have more resources and do more things with for my dreams. Like, so I can invest. So that's what I want to say. So I can invest in my dreams more instead of like worrying about paying bills and like groceries and stuff like that. And transportation and all of that good stuff around the city. How that's looking? It's very shimmery. Let me fix the lighting. Can you see that? I'm gonna go in with the darker brown. And put like some gold at the top. But let's talk about some hot topics. Like in the news, I read about did y'all hear about 21 Savage and his craziness? Like what's going on with his freaking life is ridiculous. That's pretty. It's ridiculous. He apparently got arrested, I believe yesterday or the day before yesterday, by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, which is ICE, which is the acronym for it. And that's not cute. And basically, they're saying that he's from Britain, and they gave you like all of his information, like his full name and how he's allegedly from Atlanta, and now they're saying that he basically his visa expired and they're gonna have to send him back to the UK. So I'm like, is this nigga living a double life? Like, what you mean? Like, everybody that knows about him or that's heard about him knows he's from Atlanta. Like, he reps Atlanta real hard. That's apparently where he's from. So why the fuck are they arresting him saying that he's from the UK? Like, that makes no sense to me at all. So it's just like, what's up? Like, you living a double life, you got a fucking wife and kids in Britain, or you got a freaking wife and kids here, and you was living off a visa here with that, and now that shit expired and you was trying to hold out, and now you gotta go back to the UK. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Like, I don't understand. Look at that. It's very smoky. This brown is like, it's very shimmery on the palette. Let me show you. It's very shimmery in the palette right here. But like, when I put it on, it's not as glittery. It's just kind of like whatever. So I don't know how I feel about it. But we're gonna keep piling that shit on. Maybe I'll try to put some like on the corners of my eyes. I need better brushes is what I need. I say that every time I make a video, but I really do. Like, I feel like I need better brushes because it's not giving what I want. But yeah, so that's crazy to me how that can happen. And it just reminds me of the whole Muslim ban that they had when Trump originally became president last year, early last year, probably around the same time. Now it's February. It was probably in like January and February or whatever. Or maybe it wasn't. I don't remember what month it was or like around what time it was. But I just know it was around last year or the year before last. Did Trump become president in 2017 or 2018? That's what I need to know. Like, how long has it been? It's been about, what, 2020? It's been about 3 years. So maybe it's 2016, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe 2016, 2017. Girl. I just know we got a new election 2020, and I'm ready for his ass to get out of presidency. Like, he should have been impeached. And people are still talking about impeaching him, and I'm just like, I mean, his reign is about to be over with. So we might as well ride that shit out until it's time for him to leave. You know what I mean? So it's just like, you know, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna go in with that, like, yellowy gold color. Put it on the tip of my eyelids. It's still not giving what I want. This is making me mad. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's very like mute and trying to blend it. It's supposed to be like a smoky kind of like dark brown, dark honey brown kind of look. So yes, and this one isn't going to be a long one, so I'm excited about that. Okay. So I want to go in with the red lipstick. We're going to apply it in like a very thin line. So let me use the concealer. Put it, oh, this are kind of chapped. Put it on the outer corners of your eye. I mean, not your eye, but your mouth. And do it in a very like line, nice red line. Okay, can you see it? This is the look. This is the look. Hope you like it. I'm gonna take pictures in this look and get my life, okay? What's missing is mascara, but I'm gonna do that anyway. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any geisha looks or if you feel inspired, just send me photos. You know, I'm open to looking at some and hopefully being inspired by stuff that you do. So, let me know if you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a beautiful Monday.